Here we have a 2016 Buick Enclave, 32,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. Looks like a kind of a dark charcoal gray. Good looking SUV, premium segment, large SUV. Gives you plenty of amenities and style, as you can see with your classic Buick branding there on the front. You do have high intensity headlamps, as you can see there. LED fog lights down in the bottom bumper fascia. Coming around to the side, you can see that we got Michelin, pretty decent Michelin. It's probably about half tread. I'd say maybe 6/32 or so. You can see a multi-spoke alloy wheel here. Doesn't have any scuffs or scrapes on it. Nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Right now, as we look in through the passenger side front, you can see that you do have a full power passenger seat with lumbar. We got Buick Dorso entry guards. We got charcoal leather seating with offset white stitching, 2 bucket seats, full console flows in between. You can see that offset stitching flows through the dash area and into the door panel, where you have a little bit of wood grain, a little bit of chrome stripping. I mean, you can tell right away that this is a premium SUV just by the amenities and look on the inside. Now in the second row, as you can see, we got quad seating or 7-passenger seating with captain's chairs. Makes it very accessible to the third row seating area. Also, as you can see, you do have climate controls here on there. We also have USB and 12-volt power supplies in the back of that console area, so that you can keep all your electronic devices powered up. Keep the kids busy. As you can see, we have Goodyears here on the back, not Michelin's, but these tires are actually a little deeper, probably about 8/9/32. Again, a scuff-free multi-spoke alloy wheel there as well. As we come across the back, you can see, of course, it's an Enclave and it's a Buick. It is an all-wheel drive. Also, a little bit of options here. We got a backup camera right there, if you can see it. We got the integrated ultrasound sensors. Let's go ahead and pop the hatch. I believe it's power. There you go. One push of that button will bring that hatch up power. Also want to show you the key fob here. You can use this button to access the remote liftgate. Also, this vehicle does have remote start integrated key fob. We do have 2 keys. Now, as we look here, third passenger, there's third row seats are in the upright position. You can see there's still ample storage. Also, underneath this tray, you get a little more storage underneath. Of course, these seats will stow down with a simple pull of this handle. That'll give you all that cargo room up to the next row of seating if need be. Also, you do have another 12-volt power supply in the back as well. Now, another way to shut this lift gate is to just use this button right here. So we'll do that and it'll come down, and we'll continue around to the side. As you can see, this is a Michelin tire, so it's like the rest, you know, about 6/7/32 on it. Again, scuff-free alloy wheel. And I just want to open these driver's side rear doors just to show you that the interior is very clean on this angle as well. No rips, tears, stains, or odors in the vehicle. And then we'll open up the driver's door here. Want to show you too, that is a matching Michelin, so there's only one Goodyear on this car. And it's about the same 6/7/32. There you can see on the driver's seat, again, it's full power lumbar. Just to show you kind of the controls and layouts, give you a quick tour. Here's your locks, your windows, and your mirrors. Also, we got memory seating that will integrate into each of the key fobs. So you'll have driver 1, driver 2 settings, which will all set up once you hit unlock on your key fob. Now, another thing, not only do we have a mechanical inspection report in the glove box of all of our vehicles, we also on the dash keep the auto history report. There you see 1 owner, no accidents, nice and clean. So we're very regimented. You'll find that same way throughout all our vehicles that are on the lot. Now let's go ahead and turn this on so you can see the display and get a look at the exact mileage. Now right now somebody has the blind spot monitoring turned off. That's what the system's warning is. So you can turn that on or off. It is a nice feature though to have the blind spot. But I went past it. I wanted to show you guys the miles. Let's get back over there to it. There you go, 32,859 miles. And we'll just continue with the tour. Over here's your automatic headlamps, push for fogs. You also have your dimmer switch for your domes. Stem to the left, high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. Heated steering wheel, nice feature. Got your cruise control there as well. Bluetooth, audio controls on your steering wheel to the right. Got the premium sound touch screen here. Let's just go to the home. Well, let's turn it on first. Then let's just go to the home menu. You can see AM, FM, satellite radio. Also, as you can see, integration to audio, USB, text messaging, Bluetooth, all that is all integrated together. Of course, then you have different audio settings that you can display there as well. So very, very nice sound system here in this vehicle. Down below we have our climate control settings, as you can see. Down below that you have your heated seats, ability to turn on your rear wiper, change the height of your lift gate, turn off your traction control. There's your passenger side heated seats. We got your 12-volt power supply, USB there as well. Got 2 large cup holders. Got a manual selector here if you want to pick any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. We got a nice little area here to keep some items. This armrest slides to make it more comforting for whoever, and it also flips up to give you another little area to keep some belongings. So that's pretty nice. Now we got a full roof on this model. As you can see, it actually covers both rows of seating, so it's a full. I'm gonna just remove the shade here on this one so you can see we got dual pane. There's your front row, and back here is your back row. So that's awful nice. Also, all GM vehicles are equipped with OnStar, and we got LED map lights and the universal home link there to maybe program a garage door open or something of that nature. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. I believe we have I think it's a 3.6 liter V6 variable valve time engine. So let's just take a peek at that real quick for all you motor heads out there. There you see 3.6 liter variable valve time engine. Now there is some shrouding. It's hard to get a good look at the engine, but as you can see, there's no exhaust leaks or fluid leaks, no oil leaks of any sort. Very well maintained, cleaned engine here. Very, very quiet. Now let's go ahead and shut the car off, and we'll get into the next portion of the video, which I really think helps differentiate us as a business. Not only are we up front in mechanical condition and our pricing, as I've already spoke of, we're also very upfront in the cosmetic condition of our vehicle. I did notice a few little blemishes when I was walking around. That's my job, kind of show those to you. There's a little scratch on that fender. We got a couple little stone chips here on the door. Little scratch back behind that door handle. Another little scratch on the next door there, as you can see. There's actually a little tiny pinhole dent right there. I think I'm picking that up on the light that you can see it. That's the first dent that I noticed. We got a little scratch there. Chip on the back door. Scratch on the couple little scratches here as well. Looks good on the bumper fascia. A couple little nicks here on that chrome cladding. That's very common from loading and unloading cargo. Little tiny chip right there. Quarter panel looks fine. A bit of water spotting there, but no issues to speak of on that quarter. See what this door looks like. We got a little ding and paint damage right there. I don't know if I can catch that in the light either, but we got a little ding there. A couple little scratches underneath this door handle on that door. Little chip right up there underneath the mirror. Fender looks pretty good. A little bit of stone chippage across the front here. I'm not going to point every one of them out. You're going to get some stone chips. Any vehicle with the aerodynamics they have now are going to pick some stones up. Got a few of those. Got a few you can see here across the front face of this hood as well. Very common, as I've said. Just kind of point out the highlights. But there you have it, guys. Other than a few stone chips, couple dings, couple scratches. It is a very, very nice new car alternative. It does still have the remainder of Buick's comprehensive and powertrain warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.